or ethnicities, languages, and
السلام
religions.
عليكم.
We have become a family. They have become my
Maanta
brothers and my sisters. They have
waa
supported me
graduation.
and loved me in the good times, but most importantly in the bad
Haalidayda
times.
xamdi beela.
And to them, I want to say thank you.
Haddii Ilaahay
And I
karaala
love you.
noqdo.
You guys know who you are.
Wixii dembe Ilaahay inuu iga cafiyaan weydiisto. Waxa alla dartiis u dayay. Maanta gabadheeda igu maasta garayso waa qasbina la
As I
bistay.
eat, I also make teachers that have
Ilaahay ha i cafiyo.
that have kept
Inta
me
islaan
that
Ilaahay
long,
cafiyo.
that have fed me when I was hungry.
Marka haddii Ilaahay karaala
And
noqdo.
of course with knowledge. And to them, I want to say thank you. I want to
Waa idinku soo celin doonaa hadhow haddii Ilaahay yidhaahdo. Ilaahoo na cafi. Annagoo dhan Ilaahoo na cafi yaa Rabbi. Inta islaan Ilaahoo dembigooda cafi yaa Rabbi.
And to all my teachers,
Aadi adii salaam. Saxaabta insha Allah.
I know they got annoying sometimes. And also for the time that I didn't do my work.
Waxaa idinka rajaynaa saxaabta janalkii ku xiran
But on behalf of the 20,
inay igu soo hambalyeeyaan
I just want to say we
xamdi beela graduationkeeda oo maanta insha Allah billaahi kariim.
Before I continue, I want to say thank you to you, Bali. Yeah. Bali, you have helped me in so many ways, and I am so grateful for your life. Because of you, I am now able to pursue a higher education. Thank you for pushing me. Your life is blessing to me. And to parents, and to those who took on the role of parents, thank you all for your support. Thank you for pushing us to finish and for pushing us to be better. Thank you for working from sunrise to sunset in order to provide for us. And even though we come from this age, we see your sacrifices and we appreciate it. Parents, on behalf of the graduating class of 2019, thank you and we love you. And talking about parents, I want to take a moment to address my parents. They're over there. Mama, Papa, gracias por no rendirse. Gracias por su paciencia, por su amor. Este logro es también como es de ustedes. Estoy muy orgulloso de llamar a mis padres. Gracias por cada uno de los sacrificios que han hecho por mí. Gracias por dejar todo mi conocimiento, por dejar su familia, solamente con Dios y la luz de la vida. Los amo con todo mi corazón. And lastly, the following is my happy for producing one last time. For this last part, I want to dedicate to the students. Yes, we have people who have yes, we have people who have stopped us and supported us. But at the end of the day, we're the ones who did it. We are the ones that pushed through it. And you should be proud of yourself because I know I am. The future is ahead of us. And it's up to us to take it and make of it what we want. That's truly been an honor to serve for you and I thank you. I pray that you find health, happiness, and joy in whatever path you take. And don't forget about this family we have made here. Thank you all for making a better person. All glory to God.